Hello, Professor Candido here. Welcome back, and we are going to finish up Chapter 4, and we're going to focus on the rm and rmdir. Previous videos I've posted deal with all of these. So let's come on over here, and let's do an ls-l. And I ask you, do you remember the difference between an rm and an rmdir command? If you remember, rmdir can only be used on empty directories. So for example, if I do rmdir, and I try to remove the conf directory, or my subdirectory called conf, it won't let me do it because it's not empty. And if we look into it, you will see there's a bunch of stuff in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an rm-r conf. And that will delete everything in this child directory or subdirectory as well as the directory itself. It doesn't even ask you, so use it with extreme caution. And if you remember, we've been dealing with the save subdirectory, this whole learning module. So I'm going to do an rm-r save /*. What that's going to do is delete everything in the save subdirectory, but keep the save directory there. If you don't believe me, I will show you that the directory is completely empty, but it still is there. And I can do an rm-r and I can remove that. You can also use the rm without the r switch to remove files, and you can list them like this, or you can use wildcards. All of them are equally effective. Well, it doesn't like one.txt, and the reason I think I got that error message is because I had the star. So let's go see. It cleaned up irregardless, so it worked quite nicely. So I'm just going to do this real quick. Okay, and I'm going to, you can see I made a mistake in my previous command because I had BMW2 twice. Maybe my pun was intended, I don't know. But we're going to do BMW3. All right, and there they are. So I can list the files this way. Or I could have just done star.txt, your choice. But remember, the rm is a very powerful command. It's weird that I'm getting that error message about BMW1.txt because it is gone anyways. Oh, I know why, because there was no BMW1.txt. It was just BMW. You knew that all along. You caught my mistake. Or maybe I did it on purpose to throw you off. But we're going to get rid of that pesky BMW text. Gone. And I am the ultimate victor. It is no longer there. So just remember, rm with the r switch can delete directories and the contents in the directory. rm with no switch can be used with wildcards to get rid of files. And the rmdir can only be used on empty directories.